Hey guys, let's see how to change the Wi-Fi on a Tapo C400. Let's say, for example, that you're moving and you have a new router and you want to change the Wi-Fi. It's super simple. You don't need to reset the camera completely. You just need to do a partial reset. So basically here you see that you have the information about the Wi-Fi, right? Then to change to a new one, there's no way to do directly here. And especially if you are moving to a new location, have a new router, and you don't have access to this menu. So you just need to grab your camera. And here you're gonna find this flap, this rubber flap. You see here, there's information about the reset button. You just need to open here and find the reset hole. And here you're gonna press and hold for 5 seconds. Don't press for more than 5 seconds, or otherwise you're going to completely reset the camera. What you want is just to press for 5 seconds and have the camera partially reset, right? So I'm gonna just press here and hold and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you see the LED flashes here. See flashing. And then it's going to start flashing red and green. There we go, which means the camera is ready for the setup again. But we didn't hear the camera say that was reset, right? It's just a partial reset, so you can just set up it again. Let me just put it here. Still flashing, you see, that's the idea. And then you come here again to your app. Just move this here to see better. There we go. Let's come back here to the main screen. There we go. And here you still see the Tapo C400. And now it's offline. And you just come here to the top and hit this plus signal, add a device. Then you look for your outdoor camera and the Tapo C400. Just come down, there we go, here it is. And then you just follow the instructions here. It's asking you to check if it's flashing red and green, which it is. So I just tap here and wait. Remember to have your Bluetooth enabled. There we go, it's a nice animation. You see that the cell phone connects to the camera and we see this information of the pre-configured device, which is pretty good. So I'll just keep the existing settings. And now I can just choose which Wi-Fi to use. So you just see the list here. Let's say you have the new router already on. You're gonna see the signal here, okay? I'm gonna pick this one. And here you just need to insert the password. Here I have mine. Just hit next, next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, you can hear the message. The Wi-Fi is connected. That's the new one. And then you see the LED here. It changes to green. And it's complete. You hit next. Here, just skip this step to connect to the cloud. Basically, the camera keeps all the information, right? Just put it back here, so you can see some motion back there. I'm gonna skip this one because I have a Tapo hub. I'm not gonna use this right now, just maybe later, maybe later. You're not gonna see this information if you don't have a Tapo hub, okay? Local storage, I have an SD card already there. Hit here, got it, and the camera is back. So I just tap on it, and it's working, okay? So very, very simple. That's basically the way you can switch the Wi-Fi on a Tapo C400 to a new router, right? Basically change your camera and make it work. I hope that helps. So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and leave your thumbs up. See you in the next one.